Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set Honda Odyssey seats. First, let's cover basic adjustments. To recline a second row seat, pull the lever on the side and lean back. To slide it forward or backward, lift the bar under the front of the seat and move it to your desired position. These simple steps ensure comfort for all passengers, making your journeys more enjoyable and adaptable to various needs. Next, let's look at maximizing your cargo space. To remove a second row seat, first unbuckle any seat belts. Then, pull the release strap at the back of the seat and lift it out. For the third row magic seat, pull the strap on the seat back to fold it flat, then pull the strap on the seat bottom to tumble it into the floor well. This creates a large, flat cargo area. The Honda Odyssey's Magic Slide second row seats offer incredible versatility. To use them, simply lift the release lever on the side of the seat and slide it left or right along the track. You can create a wide center aisle for easy access to the third row, or slide a seat closer to the driver for better reach to a child. This feature enhances convenience and passenger interaction. Finally, let's discuss safety and maintenance. Always ensure that any adjusted or reinstalled seat is securely latched into place before driving. A quick tug can confirm it's locked. Regularly inspect seat belts for any fraying or damage and ensure they buckle and unbuckle smoothly. Your safety is paramount. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.